Thanks for joining us for another episode of Cooking with Don Juanito. So, I have a vegetable garden, and I really enjoy growing vegetables. So, one of the things I'm going to show you today is how to make Don Juanito's special mozzarella and tomato dish. So first, you just start off with a slice of toast. And I like the Dave's Killer thin sliced bread. Good stuff. And then you cut the toast into 4 pieces. And on each piece, you put a slice of tomato. Then you take a piece of mozzarella cheese. And put a piece on each of them. Now here's the secret of this whole dish. Don Juanito doesn't use olive oil. Don Juanito uses avocado oil. And a little bit of pepper. Et voila.